Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great holiday weekend and ready for a great week. MightyOxTrading 4th anniversary celebration starts now. Good morning, USC. How are you? How was your holiday? You are first. So Europe totally sold off overnight. We had a huge drop. High 64.82 on ES. The low, as it still falls now, 64.19. Huge. That's about 53 points. Early morning math, not my thing. NQ 23,509, and it is down now to 224, so almost a 300-point drop, and it is continuing to fall here. Nice. Copper, about 120 ticks. Ultra Bond falling. A little under a point. 40-point range in gold. Gold hit another all-time high overnight at 35.78.4. Crude oil, big rise up overnight, about 150 ticks in range. Natural gas pulling back. Bitcoin is sitting at 109.7. That's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Now, we can also, no idea what's going on exactly, but there's a mysterious announcement coming from the Oval Office today at 1 p.m. with no details of what this announcement's about. And while it may be a coincidence, and maybe just two things that have nothing to do with one another, all roads leading to the Walter Reed Hospital have been closed. 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Central. Other than that, we do have ISM Manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. today. That's the other news. What rumors? I heard something about that, I want to say Friday night. Something about a pizza index as well. Good morning, JJR. And Q continues to fall. We just broke 23,200. We are down 1.14% on the day. It's an interesting sell-off. So as more people file in, we will be doing some giveaways. We have first of all, there's a link for more giveaways. Hold on a minute here. I have that here somewhere. Somewhere over there. Oh, sorry. Make sure to go there and enter giveaways there. We'll be doing some live giveaways here on the stream, and we will also be doing some Discord only giveaways. I'll get those set up later. We have giveaways. We have accounts to give away from Apex, Fidias, Lucid, The Futures Desk, Take Profit Trader, Tradify, and Legends. Yep, Eric, 4 years. It's kind of amazing. Is it a good time for a short? I mean, I don't like to jump in a move after it's already been this moving at this point. The time for me have been 7 candles ago. But I mean, right now that it's still heading that direction. We call him Saudi guy, USC. That is to that's a way to enter other some of the giveaways. We're doing giveaways that way. We're doing giveaways just live here on stream, and we're doing giveaways on the Discord. I have like 30 accounts to give away. Oh, and I might be actually on camera later on. Yeah, I like them. I've used them in the past. We're still falling here. Hey, Rod, thank you. Appreciate that. Jay, thank you. Oh, you mean when I was on the Share Vision? I've done Twitch, I've done Share Vision, and I've done YouTube. RSI here is extremely low, waiting for a bounce. Yeah, Share Vision. Somehow that I mean that website's still up. It's dead. I'm still like the third most watched ever person there, but thank you very much, JJR.
Order filled.
Gonna make our first mistake of the day by going long here and going against the trend. Thank you, Rod. Appreciate you. You all have been a big part of this. Cannot get through the 100 I mean the 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Just trying again. $179 is a sticky point. Yep, it's coming down on me. I'm out.
Order filled.
Taking it off for just it was a one tick loss. Now it's gonna go on me, I bet. That was actually I ended up no, it was a 2 tick loss. We'll see what happens here. There it popped. Just felt like it could have slammed right back down on me there, so it just got out with the small loss there. Darn. It would have hit my target. Well, not quite yet, but would have gotten close. Now I would have hit my target. It is a blue candle. So we'll try again.
Order submitted.
Minute 182, I want 187, maybe. Oh, it's gonna come now. It's gonna slam back down on me.
Order filled.
Yep, nice loss there. Gotta love that. That was a mistake. Hello, MD. Sitting on the lawnmower. Yeah, I've gone through different strategies in the past. Thank you, MD. Appreciate that. How many acres? Still falling. There is news at 9:45 Eastern and 10 Eastern. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing PMI. It's typical of Trump to try and upstage my anniversary. Morning, Amelia. Why are you on a different ID, MR? I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm just curious. Curiosity killed the ox. How long does it take you to mow all that, Amar? Maybe I didn't. What didn't I read correctly?
Order submitted.
It's our ATR 11, so we're gonna go for 10. Thank you, John. Good morning to you. All right, in a few minutes, we'll do our first giveaway of the day. I'm gonna get stopped out again. Maybe. TDT trade or TD trade. Thank you. 29 stumps. Thank you. Appreciate that. There we go. Back to green. Come on. Let's break through that 9. Nope. Oh, horrible bounce off that 9. Dang it. Had me excited for a minute there. That's going to stop me out now after that bounce. All right, USC.
Order filled.
Yep. Nice stop out. Good morning so far. Lots of red. Still falling. Continuing to make lows. Now down 308 points on the day. Ron, thank you. Hello. Sorry I missed you there. Thank you very much. Hope you're doing well today. Thank you, RJ. Good to see you. Hope you had a fun week last week. I'm normally an ox. CBR, thank you. Nice to see you. How you doing? How are you doing? Thank you, JC. Good morning. Appreciate it. Looks like now we're finally getting that pop up. Just hit a target on for 3 micros on my topstep accounts. $60 win. Okay, let's do our first giveaway. I'm going to be using a random number generator, but I hope you'll trust me enough, not that I don't need to try and make it come up on screen. So ever interested in a free Apex evaluation? Type Apex in the chat. All right, the number drawn was number 7. That was 29 stumps. Okay, hey HVAC, it's been a long time since I seen you. But you were one of my originals way back. I remember you. Uh 29 stumps. Do you have Discord? Can you send me a direct message there? And HVAC, I have other accounts to give away from other companies this morning as well. As well as remember to follow the link that I'll post, and you can enter other giveaways there. And plus, I'll be setting up some Discord only giveaways as well later on. They sent me 2. I only used 1. I didn't want to get in trouble. Whichever's easiest for you, Stomps, either sending me a message on Discord or sending me an email at MightyOxTrading@gmail.com. Still coming down. Quite the sell-off. I got to really give a shout out to my prop firm partners who really. I mean, I just kind of creeped up on me. I mean, I knew that today was the anniversary, of course, but like I hadn't sent out anything to ask or for evals or whatever to give away, and so I quickly put this together starting on like Thursday. But Fidias, Tradify, Apex, Lucid, Futures Desk, and Legends all came through for me. This is just an amazing, just straight sell-off. I mean, I don't know. I got lucky on uh, that long I did there. And I mean, they're actually pretty generous offers too. Like the Apexes I'm giving away, they're good for any account, any size account, any kind. Tradovate, Rhythmic, or Wealth Charts. Tradify gave me one of each eval to give away. Fidias, their links or their codes are for any eval. So it's all very generous. Futures Desk. We're going to be doing the Futures Desk giveaways on Discord only. Those will be $200 credits to the Futures Desk. the futures desk, we'll be doing Discord only, and those will be $200 credits for the futures desk. Two different winners of $200 each. We have credits to buy whatever accounts you want at the futures desk. Interesting looking bounce here. I don't know. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I didn't fall for it. Haha, you didn't get me this time, NQ. You would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for those purple candles. It's trying to come back though. Yeah. ATR for this time in the morning is 13. It's like normal. That's like double normal Monday. Well, I mean, today's Tuesday, obviously, but it's like a Monday. Thank you, David. Appreciate that. Hope you're having a good day today. Powerball's up to 1.3 billion. Alrighty. Just gonna reply to your email, Stumps, with a code. This code is good for any size, any kind evaluation at Apex. So if you want to get a 300K, you can get a 300K. If you want to get a 25K, you can get a 25K, etc. That's been sent. Just continuing to bleed down. September is often a red month. Thanks, Stumps, but I don't think I'll be doing this when I'm 100 years old. Nice job, Saudi. Have yourself a great day. Geriatric, we don't have much of a future trading. Good morning, Burrell. There's a pop, blue candle. Big old blue candle. Did not fall for the blue candle.
Order submitted.
Now I fell for the blue candle out there, came back down and went back up. It's going for a small win. Nope. Out again.
Order failed.
Should have listened to my original thought. Every pop just gets shot back down. Wow. Whoa. What the hell is that? Just shot down this 23,060, bounced right back up 50 points. Yeah, he's coaching college, Amelia. And his team did terrible in his first game. Good call there, Stumps. Everybody head over to this Gleam.io link and enter the giveaways we're doing there. Well, thank you, Crypticon. Good to see you. How are you today? Okay and not okay. Let's get some details on that there, Crypt. Oh, damn, Crypt. That's gonna suck for a while. Are you gonna sue the park? Yeah, they used to tape ribs, but I don't think they do that anymore. I think they found out it was ended up causing more problems than it helped. All eyes on that 2 p.m. Press conference today. A little bit of a pop up here. I think it wants to go up. Famous last words. Thing I most remember. I mean, the support. I wouldn't probably still wouldn't be trading if I wouldn't have created this community. Because it's been a rough go, and there's I've come close to quitting many times, but getting up every day to do this and kind of kept me going. Thank you, John. Yep, you've been here almost from the beginning. Hey, Ace. Good morning. Yeah, it was kind of memorable, sadly. Yeah, that that video, you know, it's CFT helping promote. I miss CFT, and I hope he's finding some peace and being away. Okay, let's give away a Tradeify intraday drawdown. So Tradeify advanced 50K. No, wait. I'm sorry. Hold on. 100K account. Is that what I'm giving? Hold on. Give me a second. Coordinating all this is a little daunting. Yeah, Tradify Advanced 100K account. Type Tradify in the chat. Again, I'll be using a random number generator. Seeing names here I've never seen before. We'll cut it off in 30 seconds. Blue candle. All right, cutting it off, running the number. TNT Praz. Not sure. Are you new to the stream? I don't recognize your name, but you're the winner. Do you have Discord? Can you send me a message on Discord or send me an email to MightyOxTrading@gmail.com. Look at that. I take a trade as I'm doing a giveaway. I'm just that talented. I appreciate that. I just put all your names on the screen and I throw the dart at the screen, Crypt. What link is it that you? Oh, that gets you one entry on the Gleam thing. Going to Tradify's page. This isn't going for me. It's hitting a 20 SMA. Giving me a white line now. I'm gonna take it for take it off there for 3 points. Trade up to crypto. Hello, how are you? Toadman Extra, welcome. Haven't seen you in a while. Thank you, Ace. Good morning to you. Hope you had a good weekend. All right, send me a direct message on Discord so I can get you your code. I'm doing good. Oh, I wish. Oh, Kraft Heinz has announced a breakup. Breaking up is hard to do. Including breaking up almost. Sorry, Kurt. That made me chuckle. I apologize. So we're about 12 minutes to the bell. Will we see a recovery, or are we going to continue selling off? Yeah, Crypt, I think you're going to have like 6 weeks of hell. He broke his ribs going down a water slide at the Wisconsin Dells. See, if I went down a water slide, I wouldn't have to worry about breaking ribs. Because I would drown because I never learned to swim. Hey, Ace, remember JC lives in Wisconsin. Like recently, RJ? I mean, during the dead of winter, we may need to go out up and chip him out of some ice. But yeah, he lives up in Wisconsin. Oh wow! You're feeling better now, RJ? So the doc almost made you see a doc, huh? Remember, after the bell, we have news at 15 minutes after the bell and 30 minutes after the bell. We'll do another giveaway sometime after the bell. On Apex, no, I I believe you have to pass by the end of the day in order to get the reduced PA fees, which sucks, and I don't agree with that decision on their part. Well, yeah, absolutely, cement hurts, but I guess the if you want to look for a positive side of this, you didn't hit your head. Nice pop up here. That was a blue candle. I didn't really trust it though. Looks like we're trying to get a recovery as we head toward the open. It's been quite the fall. Markets could be very trepidatious today as we await this to see if there's any of these Trump rumors are true. Wow, Toad and 29 typed the same thing at the same time. And I'm glad you guys spelled it because I wouldn't have been able to spell it. I was barely able to say it. Hooked on phonics, work for me. Market pulls back again. Morning, Tio. Oh, wow, there's 2 minutes. Totally lost track of time.
2 minutes till the bell.
If there's nothing big going on, about 10 minutes after the bell, we'll do our next giveaway. Thank you, Tio. That actually sounds good, Ace. Oops, I forgot to hit. Wait, yeah, I forgot to hit the bell. Sorry. Big fall here down to the low, new lows. Big sell off. 50 points down. Boom. New low a day, 23.048 half. Big bounce. Huge bounce. 48 back up to 68, so about a 20-point bounce. And back down. New lows again. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Close. Trying to bounce. So it got down to 0. I can't see. 0.2525. And that bounced. Nice. You were just talking about that on Friday, Ace, how you haven't had a 10-point day in a while. Big old bounce. I don't know, around 10:30-ish or so, I may come on camera to say hi. Now that would be something, Tio. And everyone hates me because they've blown their accounts. Hey, Platt. Nice bounce here. This might have been the turning point. I unfortunately didn't take the long. Be very careful today, guys, just because of that uh, Trump rumors and all that. Beautiful bounce. Ace, there's a mysterious announcement coming from the Oval Office at 2 p.m. Eastern today with no details. And all roads, and this could be coincidence. It could have one could have nothing to do with the other, but all roads to Walter Reed Hospital have been closed. And there's been rumors going around since like Friday that there might be some sort of medical issue with Trump. All could be speculation. It could be absolutely nothing. Trump could appear in the Oval Office and say anything at 2 o'clock, or we might be getting some sort of announcement that something happened with Trump. The whole Walter Reed thing adds to it. Adds to this whole. And now, and I laughed at Connor, the other night. Connor told me about this pizza index thing. That there's actually something called the pizza index, where when the Pentagon starts getting more pizza deliveries, like especially in an evening, it means there's a lot of people working late and there's some sort of emergency going on. And that apparently was happening Friday night. And I laughed about it. I didn't think anything of it. But he had heard something from somebody that there was something wrong with Trump then. And I thought nothing of it. But now there's more of this coming out. So, no idea, but markets could be weird today because of these, things going on. Now, that'll be something, wouldn't it? For the Bay of Pigs, did they get a lot of sausage and bacon on their pizza? All right, let's give away a Take Profit Trader 50K account. Type TPT in the chat. And I'll use a random number generator. My God, Eric, you are like always first. I'm not sure how you do that. That it wasn't exactly what you were supposed to type there, Hassan, but thank you. Got 1 minute yet before I close it, and I will disqualify Ace because he won't actually use it. Remember, we have news coming up in a little over 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the number picked was 9, and Carib, you are the winner. Send me a message on Twitter or by email, and actually, I need the email. You are registered with TPT, and I need to send that in. So send that to me on either on Discord or by email. There are other giveaways. There will be more giveaways later on here, but also go to this link. You would think I would save this link by now. We're giving away 15 different accounts at this link. Do the various actions to enter. We will also be doing some Discord only giveaways. Those will be set up later. Normal time, 3 hours. LSJN, I don't recognize your name. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing today, Hassan? Janks, also welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name as well. And remember, we got news coming up in less than a minute. MightyOxTrading@gmail.com. Today's going to be a long day. It's a fasting day that I'm already hungry. But I didn't take my supplements. So. That news so far was a nothing burger. I had an exciting weekend. I spent all day Saturday bottling up my supplements for the next 2 months. No. So we still have, well, at least I have planned to give away on the stream, and we'll do a bunch in the next hour. A couple more Apexes to give away, a Fidias, and another Tradify. I mean, it's a huge endeavor. It took me 12 hours. Because I use like 40 different supplements. Still rising here on NQ. And I use different supplements on fasting days versus eating days. Because amino acid supplements can break a fast. Ace, if I thought you would actually use it, I would give you an eval. I would love to see how you do with it. Well, you don't get the whole prop firm, just an account, Ace. Yeah, I thoroughly research everything. I look up PubMed articles, and I put a lot of thought into everything I put in my stack. Okay, Crib, the email that you sent me that email from, is that the one you're registered with Take Profit Trader? Okay, I'll get it sent in after the stream. For those of you that might be just joining us for the first time, first of all, welcome. Second of all, understand that today's not a normal day for the stream. We're normally more focused on trading than we are today, but not always. The Pineapple crew can sometimes take over, but we have fun. But we are concentrating on trading as well. So don't think we're just all no trading and all that. Hey, Loot Fisk, how you doing? By the way, if you haven't done it already, I would appreciate it if you would gore the like button. See if we can get a great amount of likes for today. This is rising up nicely. Blew through 200 up to 221. Nice loot. I see NQ Horizon. But I will say that, yes, I do break into song quite often. I apologize. Our next giveaway will be after the 9 o'clock news. Nice move up. I see. Gold pulling back a little. Ultra Bond pulling back a little. Russell's heading up. Dow's heading up. Crude oil sideways. Crypticon, are you still here? You're welcome. News coming up in under 5 minutes. Bitcoin up big this hour. Wow, Bitcoin's up huge this hour. Up $2,200. Excuse me. I saw something about BlackRock selling off millions in Bitcoin. I don't know. It was a headline. I didn't read the article to even see if it was legit. Okay, we're about to get news. Start spreading the news. NQ's popping today. Slightly misses forecast. We hit 275. Now we hit 280. Ooh. So pulled back from those highs. It got up to 280, pulled back down to 245. Purple candle here. It's got a minute on it. It's hovering above the 9. Nope. Purple candle went away. Oh, okay, cool. Then Jay, so I guess Trump's okay. That's not that huge of an announcement. At least I don't think it is. All right, guys, we're going to give away another Apex account. So type in pineapple in the chat. I knew Eric was going to type Apex. Oh, wow, he was still first. The new people are wondering what's with the pineapple, I'm sure. Okay, 30 seconds, and then we'll close it, and I'll pick a number. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the heck? Why is it not scrolling? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. Picking a number. Oh. But Crypticon, just so you know, you have a package arriving on Thursday. Okay, number picked was 6. David, that was you. Send me a DM on Discord so I can get you an Apex code. I still have 2 more Apexes, a Fatias, and a Tradovate to give away this morning. Remember to go to the Gleam link and enter all those, enter the giveaways there as well. And watch the Discord. I will have it. I will have several giveaways there this afternoon as well. Up this afternoon. They'll run for a couple of days there on the Discord. Purple candle kind of, well, purple candle went away. Never mind. Well, it's back. See how it goes. If this finishes purple, it fits most of my check boxes for an entry. It's below the 9. It's below the signal line. Don't like the wick on it, though. And the wick's kind of going away. We got 10 seconds. It's a bigger candle. I should be in on this on a micro instead, but I don't have the micro chart ready. It's kind of this is I ended up not taking it, so it's going to drop nicely here. Watch. He who hesitates may not have lost, but didn't win either. Yeah, but I would have got 10 points off of that. So that was a perfect entry, kind of a perfect entry. I didn't like the end of the wick there, but it worked. It did bounce. So, I mean, I was right to be a little bit scared of it, but I could have got the 10. How are we doing so far today, guys? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Nice, USC. He'll get it back flat. Green is good, JC. Had to do a double take. I read shorting as snorting. I was wondering why Eric was snorting. Excellent, Crypticon. Good luck, JJR. You got this. $209? Is that like a record for you, John? Bit choppy here. Little pullback there on Bitcoin. And Q coming back down a little bit. Now only down 1% on the day. Nice, USC. Candle trying to pop here. Wow, big candle here. 40 points. Pulls back a little bit after that candle. Oh, pops back up now. Dow's looking sideways. Gold pulling back just a tad. To trip up Eric, I was going to say for the next one, you need to type supercalifragilisticexpialidocious in the chat, but just kidding. Okay, our next giveaway is going to be Fidias. So type Fidias in the chat. Hey, Czar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 30 seconds to go. All right, we got 10 this time. I even included ace this time. And this time it pays off for Eric to be first. Number 1. Eric, direct message me on Discord so I can get you a Fidias code. Yeah, it took me like a year to figure out how to properly say Fidias. I was pronouncing it Fidias for like a year. Luckily, I didn't fall for that blue candle because it came right back down. So, I mean, we got this nice move up earlier, right after the bell, but it's really having a hard time getting a sustained move up. So we have 2 apexes and a Tradify to give away yet. And remember, if you haven't gone to the Gleam.io link yet to enter that way for 15 more potential prizes, you should do that. And then also Discord will have some Discord only giveaways a little bit later. The winners for the Gleam.io prizes will be announced on the live stream Friday morning at 10:30 Eastern Time. Apparently, there's nothing going on there. Now it's being announced that he's making some sort of some sort of announcement about I lost it. Space Command headquarters. So apparently that was all untrue rumors. I should launch a meme coin. Another nice pop. That was a 56.2-minute candle. So, as is tradition here on anniversary days, this and the last stream before Christmas is when I actually show my face on stream. Morning, everybody. Thank you all for your support over the last 4 years. I appreciate you all. You all mean a lot to me, and I mean that's why I try hard to, get prizes and stuff to do giveaways and all that. 90OxTrading has changed my life in many, many ways, and I appreciate you all, really do. When I started this, I never expected to grow like it has. I never expected anything to really ever come of it. I'm still not even sure why I ever started doing it. but I'm glad I did, and I've gotten so many new friends out of it. USC, your hubby's hitting on me. No. Yep, I have lost some weight. I would guess, if I had to guess, I mean, I haven't weighed myself, but I would guess in the last 2 months I'm down somewhere between 30 and 40 pounds. You can still view the deleted message. It says hello again. It's okay there, USC. It happens. But yep. I thank you all. That's, all I can really say, and besides type Tradeify in the chat so we can give away a Tradeify end of day account, 100K end of day. NQ's doing nothing. Eric wasn't first that time. I could do that. I don't have any packs. Well, yeah, I do. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, TD Trade was before you, Eric. Look, you were second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Trade iffy. 18. Tradeify more popular than Fidias and Apex apparently, because this is 19. This is the most entries we've had. It's weird. Here, hold on a minute. I'm gonna disappear for a minute, but all right. Right, got 20 seconds before our end is. I wait, but I'm getting a blue candle here, so I might be interested. It's got 2 minutes on it yet, so. All right. Number is 15, which is LSJN. LSJN, if you're on Discord, DM me there. If not, email me. See, this is the Mighty Ox Breaks hat. I don't, my Mighty Ox trading hat, the back ripped. Blue candle went away and turned red. Of course, my head's block. No, okay, my head's blocking gold. I thought my head was blocking NQ. Rude. Yeah, guys, I mean, this has just been an amazing ride the last 4 years. And the friendships formed have been, worth more than any profits I should have made. Give me 1 second there, LSJN, and I'll get you your code. It's here somewhere. There it is. Gotten choppy. So as we head toward, we got 20 minutes left on the stream. We're probably we have 2 more apexes to give away. So in a few minutes, we'll do that. We'll do both of them at the same time. Not to the same person, but I'll do 2 numbers. For those of you that I've never seen before, I hope you've decided to join us more often. Remember, we do live stream every morning, 8 to 11 Eastern. I don't know. Hey, RJ, is rolling the markets going to come back? European bond sales topped 49.6 billion euros in a record-breaking day. If your computer can't make coffee, what good can you really call it a computer? Oh. Yeah, it would really be weird to always have a camera on me if I was doing, you know, like some of these streamers always have their cameras on. I'll find that to be weird. I'm gonna shrink my head. There we go. Another fall here. We're back under 200. Hey, MR. Well, Robin, aka For Money, is in Slovenia. Decided to just take a trade at the open and made $10,000 on Take Profit Trader. Well, it's 10,000 American dollars. MR, she was on, I want to say about a year ago. There's a video up. We cut the video out of the live stream. But yeah, I want to get her back on. But right now she's in Slovenia, so that won't work. $10,000 Turkish lira is worth 243 American dollars. 50,000 would be $1,215.16. Prices may vary as you're participating. Turkey consulates only. All right. Are we ready for the last giveaway of the day? 2 apexes going to be going up for grabs. Okay, why do you have 50,000 Turkish lira? Ah. All right. Apex, type sim funded in the chat. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, It doesn't disqualify him. Okay, 30 seconds to go before I close it. $19 entries. I think. Let me recount before I actually do the numbers. 6, 7, 8. 12. Yeah, market's falling here. Okay, running number now. All right, we got 2 and we got 12. So 2 is Jay Jackson. And number 12. Number 12 is Ace Trades. Ace, are you really going to use an Apex eval or do I re-roll? Jay, send me a message on Discord. Unless you're not on Discord, I forget if you're on Discord. If not, email me. Ace, I'll email you. And I might need to help you get onto Apex. I don't know. Up a little bounce here, thank you. Email address is MightyOxTrading at Gmail. And hold on, guys. If he lets me do it, you guys are in for a treat. USC. Let's see if... Here we go. Come on. On camera time. Ugh. If I'm on camera, you gotta be on camera. There's Eddie. Yeah, he occasionally comes behind me on the Mighty Ox Breaks videos. He hates being held, or he acts like he hates being held, but yet he's purring up a storm. Blue candle there that I'm not taking because I got a cat in my hand. You ready to go? Okay. There you go. Now they get to see your big old butt. Oh, the camera's taking you. Oh, wait. It's because you ducked. There. Put your head up. Anyone that logging on now will think there's a cat trading. He is a big cat. He's a long cat. Oh, good. Well, you saved me from taking that blue candle because it would have failed. Candle back down. So we're back down to 145. You'll be fed in about 10 minutes. I think that's already a channel trade up. I think there's someone that goes by the name Fat Cat. Mind you, if you haven't done it, don't want to do it for me, do it for Eddie. Gore that like button. Dude, why are you licking my arm? Yeah, it's because I have the background turned off, so it sometimes takes a minute out. Another blue candle there, but still doesn't seem to want to go. He doesn't, and he loves being petted. He especially loves his ears rubbed or his chin rubbed. He just usually doesn't like to be held. It's rare that he allows me to hold him for any length of time. If you try to cut his claws, he's there growling the entire time. So guys, remember to enter the giveaway Gleam. I'll be throwing that link up the rest of the week here in the chat. Watch for the Discord giveaways that I'll be posting later. Thank you for making this a wonderful 4th anniversary, and been a wonderful 4 years. Thank you, John. All right. I want to thank everybody for joining me today. Appreciate you all being here. Like I said, for those of you that have stopped in for the first time, I hope you'll stop in more regularly. Say hi. We have a good community here. Can be a little weird, but normally just a good community. And that's about all. Thank you all. And we'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye. Thank you, Ace. Thank you all. Yes, we did. We had a wonderful turnout today. Okay, I need to go put the end screen on, dude. I need to stop now. We need to stop now. Really. You know, this isn't going to happen every morning. You know that, right? Okay.